In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Gmail. Deleting emails is one of the simplest yet most useful actions you can do to keep your inbox clean and organized. Whether you're trying to remove spam, clear out old newsletters, or just tidy up messages you no longer need, the basic process is always the same. In this video, I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account and looking at your inbox. You can do this on a computer using a web browser or on a mobile device using the Gmail app. The process is very similar in both places, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. To start, locate the email you want to delete. This might be a message you've already read or a new one that you don't need. Take a second to double check that it's really something you want to remove, especially if it has important information or attachments. Next, click on the email to open it. When you click on it, the message will expand to fill the main part of your screen, showing you the full contents of the email. This step is helpful if you want to quickly scan the message one last time before deleting it. Once the email is open, look for the trash icon. On most screens, this looks like a small trash can or bin, usually located near the top of the email window, along the same row as other options like reply or archive. Take a moment to hover over the icons if you're on a computer. You'll often see a small label that confirms which one is the delete or trash button. When you're sure you found the trash icon, go ahead and click it. As soon as you click on the trash icon, Gmail will remove that email from your inbox and move it to the trash folder. It won't appear in your main inbox anymore, which helps keep things clean and less cluttered. If you ever delete something by mistake, remember that Gmail usually keeps deleted emails in the trash folder for a limited time before permanently removing them. During that period, you can go into the trash folder and restore the message if you need it back. And that's all there is to it. Click on an email, then click on the trash icon, and the message is deleted from your inbox.